next little adventure is taking us from Anaheim over to Los Angeles for a little weekend, and then after that we have a day in Vegas before we start our 1 week road trip through Utah and Arizona. So we still have so many exciting things to look forward to. We are here in Los Angeles and we are staying at the Hollywood Celebrity Hotel, which is this building just behind me. And the location of this hotel is literally insane. On the other side of this building here is literally the Chinese Theatre and Dolby Theatre. There's a little complex off to the left, and once we go through those shops in there, it spits us out on the main road, which is just crazy. Like, I'm talking the Hollywood Walk of Fame, all of the stars are right there. We didn't have the best drive from Anaheim into LA. The Uber that we got, the car stunk of stale cigarettes and it was dreadful. Cam started feeling motion sickness and he never gets sick in the car. So he was feeling a bit rubbish.
I never get sick and I had the sweats. I was getting dizzy. I was like, what the hell is wrong?
So he was not having a good time. And then Lou fell asleep in the car with about 5 minutes left. I was busting to go to the toilet for the entire drive. We eventually got there, but the car stunk. And that's a really long time to be stuck in a car that reeks. Thankfully, our room was already available when we got here. So we just went straight into the room. I was able to transfer Lou from the car seat into his pram and he stayed asleep for a while. And we're just gonna walk around the Chinese Theatre and the Hollywood Walk of Fame and just explore just a little bit. All of those headphones. Yeah, that's Pirates. Oh, that's cool. Hunger Games. It's the whole set. Hunger Games. It's like the whole cast of Hunger Games.
We didn't pre-book park.
You have arrived.
Going through the park, water bottles are okay as well.
I hit my leg on the thing. I was so excited. Ouch, that's going to be such a big bruise. Ow.
Where are we, Emmy?
We're in Six Flags. Oh my gosh, we made it. Oh, God, it's bruised already. I went straight into the metal turnstile. Yeah, why not?
I'm ready to run. Like, I want to run. Oh.
Like up to the side. Yeah, instead I'll go like.
This is the diner.
Yeah, me too, Lou. That was a cool shot. I just got a fancy car. Oh, just getting No, please don't. So we're just in the car driving and I'm tracking Cam's location. He's run all the way here and he's just a couple streets ahead of us. I think it's about a half marathon that he's running to get here.
Go!
Go, Daddy!
I heard this year, right?
Hello from Santa Monica Pier. Day 2.5 in LA. We've decided to come down to Santa Monica Pier to spend most of the day. Em and I were originally going to catch public transport here, but the logistics were hard. With the public transport being an hour 20, to get an Uber, we'd have to take Lou's car seat, so then we'd have that with us all day. We sort of nutted out a plan where they wanted to come anyway, Em's parents and sister. They would drive here with Em and Lou, so the car seat can just stay there, and then we catch an Uber back. But there's only 5 seats, so I'm quite into running anyway, and we sort of worked out it's a half marathon to get here, and that I just run here. But we're here now, we just had a bite to eat, and we're gonna go out and explore this nice, beautiful area. Finish our last full day in LA before we head off to Vegas.
We have just finished over at Santa Monica Pier. We probably spent, about half an hour, 45 minutes walking around. We got some lunch really quickly and then put him straight off to sleep. And then we just walked all around the pier. It was so nice. There were heaps of buskers. Just stopped and watched all of the carnival rides and carnival games for a little while. And we're currently en route to Venice Beach. And there's just so much happening all around us. We literally picked the nicest week to be, oh my gosh, that scared me, the best week to be in California. Like, to think that we were snowed in for a whole week, like last week, to be out in like 32-degree heat and beautiful sunshine today. It's just insane. We didn't have a drop of rain while we're in Disney, but we didn't really pack for this weather. It's winter here still, but the sun here is just totally different though. 32 degrees here versus 32 degrees at home. It's just completely different. Like, my skin right now is cool to touch and I don't feel like I'm frying up. Whereas at home, even if I had layers and layers of sunscreen on, I couldn't just walk like this in the sun. I would get burnt even with sunscreen on. So it's just so nice to be able to walk around in the sunshine and not be like afraid of the outside. But I noticed something yesterday, and everyone's gonna think this is so lame, unless you're a white, pale redhead who never steps outside, then you'll know how excited I am. But I have a watch tan. I was so excited when I took my watch off yesterday when I was in the shower, and I noticed that I had a watch tan. It's probably like the second time in my entire life that I've gotten a watch tan, but I'm definitely not built for Sydney and Australian heat. Much more suited to the Northern Hemisphere. We are here on a Saturday too, so I'm not sure if that helps with, oh my God, she has a snake in her backpack. Oh no, it's a lizard, it's got legs. This lady here on a bike. Yeah, the vibes are so high today. Like, it's perfect beach weather, so the beach is just totally full. There's literally someone right here with a whole DJ set up. I don't know, it's just super cool.
Vibe.
Yeah.
and chili.
I know. Like such a sweet surprise.